Good day, everyone. I am Lorraine Biilodo from DEC History A, and I am here to show you on how to secure your Windows PC using these instructions. So first here is account and password management, and there is deleting guest accounts and unnecessary accounts. So let's go to lusrlgr.msc. So under users, so dira wala man tayo makita ng mga unnecessary accounts. So and kaning guest is built-in naman siya na account, so hindi na siya ma-delete. And then next is setting account lockout. So at the task secpool.msc. So kailangan na ni siya ipang check ang account policies kay para ma-prevent na to ang brute force attack. So diri sa account lockout policy, since ato ni siya i-set to 5. And then kaning account lockout duration is set na to just sa 60. Okay, and then also this one 60 gihapon. Okay na dyan. And then next is access control. Under that is checking unnecessary shared folders and stopping sharing. So at the task fsmg.empty.msc, then shares. So dili wala tayo makita ng mga unnecessary na shared folders, so okay na na. And then next is system security. So first, turning off automatic administrator logon in Windows. So at the task sa regedit, registry editor, and then yes. So under that, software, under sa local machine, we click software. Under software, we click Windows NT. Under that is Microsoft pa di ay. Then Microsoft, under that is Windows NT. Under Windows NT, current version. Under current version, let's go to Windows Logon. Then hanapan natin yung auto admin logon. Then since importante na 0 kadyo na siya dira kay para prevent na to ang attacker pag check sa ato mga login account and password. So kailangan 0. So okay. And the next is checking startup programs. So ato ta sa msconfig. Then startup, open task manager. So kailangan nato diri ay pang disabled ang mga unnecessary programs para dili masudlan ng malware ato mga PC. So since dili man ako ni siya ginagamit, so pang disabled din ako na. I only enable this kay mga ginagamit na ko siya. Okay na dyan. So okay here. And then stopping unnecessary startup services. So services MSC, kay mga unnecessary na dili kali na to ginagamit everyday. So kailangan nato na siya ipang disable or pang stop kay para as mapaspas ang performance sa ato PC or laptop. So for example here sa Bluetooth Bluetooth audio gateway. So pwede rin nato siya i-stop kay dili man nato na kinahanglan gajud everyday. So stop. Yan na, stop na. So then last is checking the terminal service. So, balik hapon ta sa services and SC. Then, let's click to application management. Application management. Here. Then, click on log on. Then, this account. So, dili is importante ng atong mga password is dili weak. Kay if weak, mas possible or mas dali na siya uh, kuan sa attacker. So, importante ang atong mga password is medium or high. So, that's all. Click OK. Next. That's all in Windows System Security. Thank you.